I am delighted to be part of this third retreat that brings us together to review the performance of the fifth administrations during the first half of its term in office and define our future pathway to fulfill the promises we made to the people of Kenya. This retreat comes at a critical stage of our mandate, being half-time since the administration was installed in September 2022. It gives us an opportunity to reflect on how far we have worked towards fostering Kenya's socio-economic transformation journey and how we have done it. Further, it is a time for us to strategize on the legacy we shall leave and be remembered for at the end of our first term in office in August 2027. Let me also recognize the opportunity we have for realizing the goals of a more united, prosperous nation, fostered by the partnership of the two largest political parties in the broad-based government formally established in March 2025. This collaboration will bring new synergies and convergence of thought process in scaling up the implementation of the government's bottom-up transformation agenda. The theme of this retreat, Charting the Course Ahead, challenges us to focus on deepening the gains we have achieved in the past 2.5 years, responding to the rapidly changing environment in which we are implementing priority government policies, projects, and programs. From where I sit in coordinating national government initiatives, I can say with confidence that we have endeavored to deliver on our commitments, even in the most challenging circumstances. The State Department for National Government Coordination is working closely with the National Government Implementation Committee and the National Government Administration Officers to improve efficiency in the delivery of government priorities. We have constructively engaged with all implementing agencies and key stakeholders in assessing the progress achieved in the implementation of priority initiatives and agreed on actions to resolve constraints and bridge gaps, slowing down progress. Furthermore, the State Department for Parliamentary Affairs has achieved critical milestones in facilitating a conducive legislative and regulatory framework for enabling political and socioeconomic transformation. We are also better focused and engaged in our diplomacy and diaspora relations, anchored on the updated foreign policy launched by the State Department for Foreign Affairs in December 2024, and the diaspora policy launched by the State Department for Diaspora in March 2025. These insights demonstrate how we have forged together as a whole of government, prioritizing the government's vision of transforming Kenya into a prosperous middle-income country built on the foundations of democracy, equity, and inclusive growth. Let me conclude by urging you all to journey together in closing the gaps that have constrained the full realization of our transformation agenda and exploring emerging opportunities for cementing the impact of our work to the beneficiary citizens.